What's up, and welcome back to another free pick video. So we're going to go over two plays that I am playing for tonight. But first off, we had Trae Young. He cashed his over. So we got the first leg of that one. Now we just need George Pickens over 29.5 receiving yards to cash this one that we played yesterday as part of the free pick video. So we're going to jump straight into both of these. One is on Chalkboard, one is on PrizePicks. So let's hop into it. So here's the one over on Chalkboard. We have George Pickens over 39.5 receiving yards, Gardner Minshew over 199.5 passing yards, and then CJ Stroud over 224.5 passing yards as well. So that's the first one, and that one is over on Chalkboard. All the links will be down in the description below. If you guys need to download any of these apps, they're going to match your deposit up to $100. So go and play with that free money. Second play up, we're going with the Washington-Michigan game over Monday. So we're going to go Michael Penix, Rome Odunze, and Jalen McMillan all over on their lines. So passing, receiving, and receiving. We're going to go over, and then we're going CJ Stroud over his passing yards, and then Nico Collins over his receiving yards as well. So that's the second one up that we're playing for tonight. So let's hope that this one cashes the first part, and then we just leave it up to Washington to cash that on Monday. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys are riding with any of these, what you guys are playing for tonight. Let me know down in the description below or down in the comments below what your favorite play is for tonight. So looking forward to hearing from all of you. Let's go win this. Let's go win some money.